Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian, and today is the 6th of February 2018, and today we're going to talk about quickly and easily launching an affiliate program for your online web services or agency. So I'm going to show you exactly what I've done with mine and how you can easily emulate this approach for selling high-end services through a directory. So step one is you want to create several high-end agency-style offers. In my case, we have everything from web design to interviews for authors who want to write books but don't want to write, to running viral contests, to building landing pages, and so forth and so on. So our offers, which are primarily directed at authors and teachers and coaches and consultants in the mindfulness space, that's who we're targeting. So that's really how we're carefully creating online agency style offers to accommodate. You may be doing restaurants, you may be doing building a local directory or a health or nutrition directory or whatever it is. So you want to obviously tailor your offers to your audience. So step two is create an affiliate program. We're using the Podia platform. This is where I deliver my content, my courses, and our affiliate offers as well. It's a really easy way to build a community around content, deliverables that can be downloadable. You can do courses. I mean, Podia is just awesome, and it has the benefit of also integrating both email marketing and an affiliate program for a really great price. So that's the service that I use and recommend. You can use my link below if you sign up, and I'll give you a very special free gift, a consultation, if you sign up with our link. Step three is you want to start to use your directory to promote your agency. So what you would do is, on a listing by listing basis, you want to just incorporate or integrate banner ads or offers that are high click-through, kind of compelling content that gets people to sign up for your either your agency and or your affiliate program. I'd recommend 2 banners per listing. If you're using something like the My Listing theme, you would just incorporate 2 different short codes that are going to be listing-wide ads that are going to appear on every single listing that appears on your site. Really easy to do, and it's really going to make your audience into evangelists or ambassadors for your offers. You can see that visually. If every restaurant, every realtor, everybody has a offer on there that promotes both your agency and your affiliate program, it promotes your offers and the ability to sign up as affiliates. You're going to get a really viral effect in place. So I recommend that, and then just start to promote your your directory, and then use that. Use the approach that we just outlined to get people to sign up as affiliates for your site, your services, your offers, and the opportunities that you're offering as an agency to your audience. Really easy to do. You can look at my Podia store to see how we're doing that for the mindfulness-oriented market, and it's really been very successful thus far with minimal effort. People are just signing up who are coming by our community, and it's really been quite easy to build an audience of ambassadors using this approach. All right, there are some higher end ways of doing this, but this is the most basic, simple, and straightforward system that I've found yet. All right, hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.